Looking for the best kitchen mats but not sure which ones are actually comfortable and worth buying? Welcome back to US Buyer Picks. Today I'm reviewing 5 of the best kitchen mats you can get right now. We'll compare comfort, durability, slip resistance, and overall value so you can make standing in the kitchen a lot easier on your feet and back. Let's get into it. We have included links in the description. Number 1. SNTD Dish Drying Rack for Kitchen Counter. Stainless steel dish rack with drain board, large dish drainer with utensil holder for sink. The SNTD Dish Drying Rack is what many US homeowners would call a practical everyday kitchen organizer. It's designed for people who either hand wash dishes regularly or simply need extra drying space beyond what their dishwasher can handle. What this dish rack is best known for in the US market is simple functionality and efficient countertop organization. Many American households still hand wash pots, pans, knives, water bottles, baby items, and delicate cookware that never go into the dishwasher, so a reliable drying rack remains a kitchen essential. In real-world US use, this rack works especially well for apartments with limited kitchen space, family kitchens, homes that hand wash cookware, small households, condo kitchens, RV and vacation home kitchens. One of the biggest strengths is the stainless steel construction. Compared to cheaper plastic racks, stainless steel generally offers better durability and a cleaner appearance over time. Another advantage is the integrated drainboard system. Nobody wants water pooling across the countertop, and a dedicated drainage system helps keep the surrounding area cleaner and drier. The utensil holder is also surprisingly useful. Instead of tossing forks, spoons, and cooking utensils into a pile, everything can dry in an organized way. Number 2. Eurakify Stainless Steel Dish Drying Rack. Large capacity kitchen counter organizer with drain board, utensil holder and detachable cup shelf. 304 surgical grade rust-proof dish drainer, easy assembly. The Eurakify dish drying rack is what many US buyers would consider a larger, more feature-rich countertop drying station. It goes beyond basic dish storage by offering multiple dedicated sections for cups, utensils, and other kitchen items. What this rack is best known for in the US market is high-capacity organization and rust-resistant construction. Many American families want a dish rack that can handle an entire meal's worth of dishes without feeling overcrowded. In real-world US use, this rack is ideal for family kitchens, homes with frequent cooking, couples who hand-wash dishes daily, large apartment kitchens, busy households, meal prep enthusiasts. One of the biggest strengths is the larger storage capacity. The additional space helps accommodate more plates, bowls, cups, and cookware at the same time. The detachable cup shelf is another useful feature. Water bottles, coffee mugs, travel tumblers, and reusable drink containers are extremely common in American households, and dedicated drying space helps keep everything organized. The 304 stainless steel construction is also a major selling point. Rust resistance is important because dish racks spend their entire lives around moisture. Number 3. ADBIU Over the Sink Dish Drying Rack, Expandable Height and Length, Snap-on Design 2-tier Large Dish Rack 31-39.4 L x 12 W x 34-38 H inches. The ADBIU Over the Sink Dish Drying Rack is what many US homeowners would call a space-saving kitchen upgrade. Unlike traditional countertop dish racks, this model uses the area above the sink, helping maximize valuable counter space. What this rack is best known for in the US market is high-capacity storage without sacrificing countertop space. That's a huge advantage in apartments, condos, townhomes, and modern kitchens where every inch of workspace matters. In real-world US use, this rack works especially well for apartment kitchens, small homes, condos, families that hand-wash dishes, meal prep households, homes with limited counter space. One of the biggest strengths is the over-the-sink design. Instead of placing wet dishes on the counter, water drips directly into the sink. That means less mess and less cleanup. Another major advantage is the adjustable size system. Kitchen sink dimensions vary widely across American homes, and the expandable design helps accommodate different setups. The two-tier storage layout significantly increases capacity. Plates, bowls, cups, utensils, cutting boards, and cookware can all be organized vertically rather than spread across the countertop. The snap-on assembly design is another positive. Most buyers can put it together without specialized tools. Now for the downsides. The biggest consideration is compatibility. Buyers need to carefully measure their sink and surrounding area before purchasing. Number 4. Sicily Blue Kitchen Sink Caddy Organzier with High Brush Holder, Sponge Holder for Sink, 304 Rust-Proof Stainless, Kitchen Countertop Soap Dispenser Organizer, Blue Home Decor and Accessories. The Sicily Blue Kitchen Sink Caddy is what many U.S. buyers would call a sink organization solution rather than a dish rack. It focuses on keeping cleaning supplies organized and accessible around the sink area. What this product is best known for in the U.S. market is decluttering kitchen sink spaces. Many American kitchens end up with sponges, dish brushes, soap bottles, scrubbers, and cleaning accessories scattered around the sink. This organizer helps create a more organized workspace. In real-world U.S. use, this sink caddy works well for kitchen sinks, apartment kitchens, RV kitchens, laundry rooms, utility sinks, small countertop spaces. One of the biggest strengths is the dedicated brush holder. Long-handled dish brushes often have nowhere convenient to dry, and this organizer provides a designated spot. The 304 stainless steel construction is another advantage. Since sink organizers are constantly exposed to moisture, rust resistance matters for long-term durability. The compact footprint is also appealing. Unlike large organizers that take over the countertop, this model provides organization without consuming excessive space. The blue color offers a little personality compared to standard stainless steel accessories. Now for the downsides. This is not a dish drying rack. Buyers looking for plate and bowl storage may misunderstand its purpose. The storage capacity is limited to cleaning tools and accessories rather than larger kitchen items. Some buyers may also prefer neutral colors that blend into more kitchen styles. Number 5. Sicily Sponge Holder for Kitchen Sink, Sink Caddy Organizer with High Brush Holder, Kitchen Countertop Organizers and Storage Essentials, Rust-Proof 304 Stainless Steel. The Sicily Sponge Holder is what many U.S. homeowners would consider a simple kitchen organization essential. It focuses on solving one common kitchen problem, finding a clean and organized place to store wet sponges and brushes. What this product is best known for in the U.S. market is keeping sink accessories organized while promoting faster drying. Sponges left on countertops can create clutter and collect moisture, making dedicated storage surprisingly useful. In real-world U.S. use, this organizer fits well in apartment kitchens, family homes, small kitchens, condo kitchens, RV setups, utility sink areas. One of the biggest strengths is its compact design. It doesn't require much space while still organizing the most frequently used cleaning tools. The stainless steel construction helps resist rust and corrosion, which is important in wet kitchen environments. Another advantage is improved countertop cleanliness. Instead of leaving wet sponges directly on the counter, users have a dedicated storage area. The high brush holder is also useful for keeping dish brushes upright and easily accessible. Now for the drawbacks. Like the other Sicily organizer, this is not designed for dishes, cookware, or larger kitchen items. The smaller size limits how many accessories it can hold at once. For households with multiple cleaning products and tools, a larger organizer may be necessary. That's my breakdown of the top kitchen mats available right now. Some are designed for maximum comfort, while others focus on durability and easy cleaning. If this helped you out, check the links in the description for the latest prices, and don't forget to subscribe to US Buyer Picks for more honest, no-nonsense reviews. Thanks for watching.